In linear differential equation part 2, let's discuss one very important topic for IIT JEE, which is also popularly known as inspection method. In this inspection method, we'll use the concept of derivative, but we are doing a differential, not differentiation. So in this case, d of x by y equal to, actually it is u by v form, y square y dx minus x dy. So d of y by x, that we know. Remember everybody, from left to right to okay, but from right to left it's not so right, okay. So it means you have to learn it, otherwise in the examination hall there may be the problem in arranging from right to left. So you have to learn some formulas so that we can get the sum very easily, okay. So x square x dy minus y dx, d log of x by y. So it means what? We are doing the differential. So actually we are using the concept of differentiation. So 1 by x by y into d x by y. So this is coming to be 1 by x by y. So if we apply dx by y, so y square, so y dx minus x dy. So this is coming to be, so y is cancelled, y is getting cancelled. We are getting y dx minus x dy by xy. So similarly, d log of y by x. In this case, we are using x dy minus y dx by xy. Next, 5 d tan inverse y by x. So let us apply the concept of substitution method. So we can write this as 1 by, so d of tan inverse y by x means what? We are using 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square. So d of y by x. Therefore, we can use here 1 by x square plus y square by x square, and here it is same thing, dy by x already we have done, dy by x, let us put the value. So x dy minus y dx by x square. So the combined formula becomes here x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. D tan inverse x by y. So this also we can generalize like previous, we can generalize this. So this is coming y dx minus x dy by x square plus y square. So I am going to the next formula, d log of x square plus y square. So if we apply derivative concept, we are getting x square plus y square into d of x square is 2x dx, d of y square is 2y dy. Therefore 2x dx plus 2y dy, and then one more formula, d of e to the power x by y. If we apply this, we are getting here y square y e to the power x dx minus e to the power x dy. So all these formulas are very much important to solve the sum. And remember one thing, generally whatever I will see or I will suggest, that we have to do this from left to right, you have to learn it, otherwise in the examination hall formation of the differential equation by inspection method becomes very harder. But once we can remember this at least 8 formulas, it will be easier for us to solve, like the sums of homogeneous equations. Sometimes it becomes easier if we apply this method. So I'll give some examples so that this becomes easier for us. So let's do some examples on inspection method. So solve x dy minus y dx equal to x y square dx. So how to solve the sum? We have to arrange in that form so that we can get some linear form. So let us see. In this case, since x dx is there, we have to divide by y square. Okay? Therefore, x dy minus y dx by y square equal to x dx. But in u by v formula, we have seen what? V du minus u dv by v square. It means if here it is y square, then it should be y here to get the u by v formula. Therefore, just I am taking the multiplying by the minus sign and taking minus to the right hand side. So y dx minus x dy by y square equal to minus x dx. Now let us form the differential form. So dx by y equal to minus x dx. Therefore, differential form is ready. Now just we have to solve the differential equation to get the family of curve. So in this case, we are getting x by y equal to minus x square by 2 plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. Now I am giving another example. Let's go to another example. In this case, y into 2x square y plus e to the power x dx minus e to the power x plus y square dy equal to 0. So first of all, our target is to open the bracket. So here we can write this as 2x square y square dx plus e to the power x y dx minus e to the power x dy plus y cube dy equal to 0. So in this case, we have to search some uv formula, or we have to see that what to be divided so that it becomes some u by v formula. Just it is based on uv, u by v way. In this case, we are seeing that since it is the inspection method, observation method, so we need the tremendous knowledge of the differentiation, and that 8 formulas, we have to apply that 8 formulas. Therefore, here we are saying that e to the power x is common here, and y is pure y cube means with the dy, but in this case x and y is mixed. So let us try with divide with y square. Why I am dividing with y square? Because we have to get some u by v. We will try to get some u by v formula. Now y square, we are getting the pure x, therefore it will be easier for us to integration 2x square dx plus, we are saying that this is the u by v form of d of e to the power x by y. Just if we say this u by v square, v constant, derivative of e to the power x, and derivative means differential, and that e to the power x constant, differential of y, and in this case we are getting y dy. So it becomes easier to integrate here. So we are getting 2x cube by 3 plus e to the power x by y plus y square by 2 equal to c. So this type of lot of examples, this type of sums are coming in entrance examination like IIT JEE. I am giving one more example. Let's solve one more example. So in this case, main target is that we have to decide that which formula we have to apply. Okay, and it depends on that all that 8 formulas, which is these are the standard formulas you have to learn from right side to left side. So let's solve it. X dx plus y dy. So it means I can multiply here 2 and balance by half. I am taking this root over x square plus y square and divide by root over a square minus x square plus y square. It means this total right hand I am taking to the left hand side and this to the right hand side. We are getting x dy minus y dx. So half d of x square plus y square. So we have to practice too much sums on this so that we should be habituated. 2x dx is d of x square, 2y dy is d of y square. In this way you have to practice. And then I am taking this root over portion to the right hand side. So here it is coming to be root over a square minus x square plus y square. So I am taking x dy minus y dx by root over x square plus y square. I am multiplying root over x square plus y square in the both sides. So it is coming to be x square plus y square and this is coming x square plus y square. Now this is dt by 2 root t equal to d of root t. Actually in this case right hand to left hand is very easy, but left hand to right hand we have to be habituated. It depends on the knowledge on differentiation. We have to practice regularly all these type of sums. So in this case if we see here that dt by 2 root t, this is coming d of root t. So here it is coming to be d of root over x square plus y square by root over of a square minus root over x square plus y square whole square. Actually it is in the form of dt by s square minus x square, this form, this type form, and here it is, this is in the form of d of tan inverse y by x. This formula we know, this formula is known to us. Now this is in the form of dx by root over a square minus x square, and if we know that if we can integrate we are getting sin inverse x by a formula, and this is also in the differential form, so we can integrate. If we integrate here we are getting, I am writing here that is sin inverse root over x square plus y square by a. Actually it is in the form of dx by root over x square minus x square, that is we know the formula sin inverse x by a, and in this case this is coming tan inverse y by x. So this type of videos for the JEE examination regularly I will make. Watch it.